Good morning, Waiheke. All the sounds of the natural New Zealand morning wildlife. Lots of birds. The waves, very calm, haven't started picking up yet, not wind. And it's crispy. It's a nice crisp in the air. We are overlooking Matiatia Bay. That's the bay that all the ferries come into. There's the ferry from Auckland, first one of the morning. Highly recommend that. Very fast. We'll get you here in about 30 or 40 minutes. They run on the hour. Get your tickets online. Look at this beautiful bench. There's some benches in the world, but it's hard to beat this overlook. There's Auckland, up there. The caves of Waiheke. Don't fall.
We walked about 1.5 miles or 2.7 kilometers of the coastal track. They call trails tracks and hiking tramping in New Zealand. You can catch it to the north of the docks at Matiatia Bay. Right after the last boat ramp, you will see the sign in the far corner of the lot.
Pretty sweet. Lots of birds. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Waiheke is known for its local wineries. We visited Temotu, Stony Ridge, and had dinner at Mudbrick. They were each fantastic in their own way. At Stony Ridge, we had a delectable sampler that included the best fish pate we've ever tried. The grounds and vista of the rolling hills here are special. The flight of reds we had at Temotu was incredible, very uniquely flavorful and easy on the palate. We met the owner who still personally serves customers to this day as he has for the last 40 years. Then, at Mudbrick, we had a fantastic service from Kenny, who recommended some incredible local dishes, from trevally sashimi and duck sausage to an incredible braised lamb. All of the food we ate in New Zealand, for that matter, ranged from very good to amazing. Good morning.
Morning.
Not a bad little morning. Let's delve into these tide pools real quick. Would not want to be barefoot on this stuff. Look at that. Let's delve into the underwater kelp forest. The water's cold, but it's so refreshing, so clean, so beautiful. We just walked about 3 miles from the hotel. Another 20-minute hike to get down here. Comment below, I'll tell you how to get here. Backwoods reppin' baby. There she is, the photographer in chief. Oh, look at her. Living baby. Pretty sweet, isn't it? Another wonderful morning hike. So we gotta haul butt to make our flight to Christchurch, where the South Island adventure will begin. Adios.